Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to our channel where we unlock the hidden secrets of the universe. Today, we're diving into an incredible topic: how something as simple as vinegar can cleanse not just your home, but also your energy, bringing harmony and success into your life. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share a powerful ritual that can help you attract positivity and prosperity, starting today. Have you ever wondered why some homes feel warm and welcoming, while others seem heavy and draining? What if I told you that the secret to cleansing negativity is hidden in your kitchen? Yes, it's vinegar. This simple ingredient not only cleans surfaces, but also purifies the energy in your home. In this video, I will reveal how vinegar can cleanse your space of bad vibes, remove negative energy, and attract positivity. Stay with me until the end, and you'll learn an ancient ritual that will transform your home into a sanctuary of harmony and success. Since ancient times, people have used natural substances to cleanse their homes, bodies, and even souls. Vinegar has been known not just as a household cleaner, but as a powerful tool to eliminate negative energy. Its acidic nature cuts through heavy, stagnant vibrations, dissolving bad energy just as it removes dirt and grime. Many cultures, from the Chinese to the Romans, believed that vinegar could dispel evil spirits and protect against misfortune. But how exactly does vinegar cleanse energy? Science tells us that strong natural acids like vinegar break down bacteria and toxins. But spiritually, vinegar does something even more fascinating. It acts like a magnet, pulling out low vibrations and restoring balance. Just like you wouldn't leave dust to pile up in your home, you shouldn't let negative energy accumulate either. A simple vinegar cleanse can be more effective than you think. Let's start with the most basic but powerful way to use vinegar for energetic cleansing: washing your floors and surfaces. Take a bucket of warm water and add 1 cup of white vinegar. As you mop or wipe down your home, set the intention that all negativity is being washed away. Imagine darkness dissolving and a bright, fresh energy filling your space. This simple ritual can make your home feel instantly lighter. Another powerful method is the vinegar spray. Fill a spray bottle with equal parts water and vinegar, then add a few drops of essential oil, like lemon or lavender, to enhance the cleansing effect. Spray this mixture in every corner of your house, focusing on doorways, windows, and dark corners where energy tends to stagnate. This works especially well after arguments, illness, or periods of stress. Now, let's talk about one of the most mystical vinegar cleansing rituals: the vinegar and salt bowl method. Fill a glass with vinegar and add a tablespoon of salt. Place it in a room where you feel heavy energy. Leave it overnight, and by morning, the salt will have absorbed the negative energy. If the salt has changed in texture or color, throw it away immediately and repeat until the air feels lighter. Vinegar can also cleanse objects that carry unwanted energy. Have you ever bought an antique or received a gift that just didn't feel right? Wipe it down with a cloth soaked in vinegar, or place it in a bowl of diluted vinegar for a few minutes to neutralize any lingering energy. You can even use vinegar to cleanse your own aura. Add half a cup of vinegar to your bath water and soak for at least 15 minutes. As you bathe, visualize all the negativity washing away, leaving you refreshed and recharged. Another incredible use of vinegar is for cleansing money energy. If you feel like financial struggles follow you, try this. Take a few coins or a dollar bill and gently wipe them with vinegar. This will remove any stagnant energy and attract fresh financial opportunities. Some people even place a small bowl of vinegar under their bed to absorb negative emotions, stress, and bad dreams. If you've been experiencing restless sleep, this trick might just change your nights. Let's not forget about using vinegar for workplace energy cleansing. If you feel tension in your office or workspace, wipe down your desk and electronics with a cloth dipped in vinegar. This helps remove stress and creates a more productive, harmonious environment. If you want to take your vinegar cleansing to the next level, combine it with the power of sound. As you clean, play uplifting music, chime bells, or even clap your hands in each room to break up stagnant energy. Some traditions also recommend writing down negative thoughts or worries on a piece of paper and soaking it in vinegar. The idea is that vinegar dissolves the negativity, allowing you to release it from your mind and spirit. A simple but effective protection spell involves placing a small glass of vinegar, mixed with a pinch of salt near your front door. This acts as an energetic shield, preventing negativity from entering your home. Now that you know how to use vinegar for energetic cleansing, let's talk about when you should do it. The best times are during the full moon, after an illness, following a major life change, or anytime you feel heavy or stuck energy in your home. Trust your intuition. It will tell you when it's time for a cleanse. If you've ever felt uneasy in a certain room or noticed constant tension in a specific area, that's a sign of energetic buildup. Use one or more of these vinegar techniques to reset the space and invite harmony back in. Some people report that after a vinegar cleanse, they experience better sleep, improved mood, and even unexpected good fortune. This is because negative energy blocks abundance, and once you remove it, opportunities can flow freely into your life. So, are you ready to try these powerful vinegar cleansing techniques? Start with just one method and see how it changes the energy in your home. The results might surprise you. Now, if you want to learn even more about cleansing your space and attracting positive energy, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Let's see if we can reach 5,000 likes. If we do, I'll reveal another ancient secret for protecting your home from negativity. Share in the comments. Have you ever tried vinegar for energy cleansing? What was your experience? Let's create a space of positivity and transformation together.